Hello everyone, my name is Desak Putri Dharmayanti with three last digit of student number 220. And now I will recreate this layout in phone in Flutter with Flutter. Let's start. So I already create the code here. Here I made it in the settings screen, as you can see. So I already made it, and this is the results. And now I will explain about the code. First, we have to import the package flutter material.dart and also the package of asset image widget.dart. And then we have to declare the setting screen as we have to make the stateful widget. Why? Because this layout can interact with the user. So it is stateful widget. And then we have to create the state. So first one, I made the method for increment and decrement. First, I declare the variable of count. It is in integer. So I declare it first as 670. So it is close with the reference image. And then I made the method increment. So I say set the state, and when it is called, the variable count will be increasing, and then the method decrement. So if the count is more than 0, when it is called, the count will be decreasing. And then next one, I build the widget to make this layout. So I make the scaffold widget, then the body's column, and then I made children. And then I made the first row. So this first row will be for the image, this Flutter image here. And then the axis alignment is center. And then for the path, it is in assets, image, and the name of this image is icon underscore Flutter, and format is PNG. And then I set the width with 350 and also the height with the same number. And then for the fit, I use box fit.cover to make it fill the space here. And then I close the row for the asset image widget. And then I add a divider with the height of 50. This is the divider to make this line here to make a separation from this widget with the next widget. And then I made another row. So for this row is for the text. It is lorem ipsum is simply dummy text of the printing. I'm sorry, I have a typo here. Dummy of the printing, and then save it. It will be hot reloading, and you go to setting, it is changed. And then I close the row. And then the next one, I also add one more divider for this, for dividing this widget and this widget, but I set the color to white, so it is cannot be seen. And then I made another row for this likes. So the alignment is start. And then the first one, I made an icon button. So when it's pressed, it will call the method increment. And the icon is a thumb up, this one. And then the next one, I made another icon button. When it's pressed, it will call the decrement. And also the icon is thumb down. And then next one, I made the text, this one. So I call the variable count to be written here, and then likes. And then that's all. I close the row, I close the column and the scaffold widget, and then save it, and then run it. And this will be the and this will what show. So in this demo, I use Chrome to run my code because currently my Android Studio emulator is still having a problem. So for this time, I use Chrome. So this is the result. As we can see, this is the image, the text, and then when we click like, the likes will be increasing, and when we click dislike, the likes will be decreasing. So it is working as it should. So that is all from me. I'm sorry if there are any mistake. Thank you and bye.